I want to show you how to connect to your Outlook 2007 or 2003 application on your Windows machine. I think the error that we've been reaching with some of the people that have been contacting me about their email account not connecting properly is that I was trying to help you go through the steps of an IMAP connection, which I prefer and recommend, but from what I've been looking up and researching on is that Outlook has trouble connecting through an IMAP connection, and thankfully Gmail has what is called a POP connection and is enabled by default. So I'm actually going to show you how to connect to your account using the POP connection. So our first step would be to go to, close that, http://mail.energyet.com. All right, that's spelled up here. All right, and here we are logged into the dashboard mail of our Gmail. But first we're going to go over here to the mail settings, and now I've also looked up something that Outlook has some issues with connecting to Outlook and Gmail is what is called the browser connection, and by default it is on don't always use HTTPS, but I've already enabled it because I needed to test if it worked, and it does work. So you need to click here, mail settings, general tab, browser connection, always use HTTPS. Go to the bottom of your page, save changes. Well, it will not let me save because I've already saved it to that option, but for you it will allow you to click the save changes and have the correct setting, and so we are good from there. So we're going to go back here and go back to mail settings, forwarding POP and IMAP. POP is enabled, IMAP is disabled. That's fine because we want to configure instructions for POP. Alright, and now we're going to go here, POP, Gmail, Outlook 2007. Alright, and here is a full tutorial. Number 1, enable POP. Already enabled. It's enabled by default. Open Outlook. Alright, let's open Outlook. As you can see, I already have my EnergyET account, webmaster@energyet.com, set up. But to show for examples, let's go to Tools, Account. I'm going to delete this account. Remove. Cool. Now let's go back here. Open Outlook. Click Tools menu and select Account Settings. We were just there. Tools, Account Settings, New. Alright, let's enter a name, Hunter Boone. Same name that is on the account of the email. Enter in your full email address. Password. For example, mine is password. Hit next. Alright, it's going to establish a connection, but we're not going to do that. That's going to take a while. We're going to go back. Hunter Boone, webmaster, passwords. Alright, now it's manually configure. That is what we want. Internet email, connect to your POP. Good. Hunter Boone, webmaster, energyet.com. Account type, POP3. Alright, incoming will be pop.gmail.com. Outgoing, smtp.gmail.com. Username, webmaster@energyet.com. Alright, and this field is being cut off, but when I start typing it's going to move back up, but it's enter a password. Alright, remember password. Alright, now we're going to go to more settings, outgoing server. Check this box. My outgoing server SMTP requires authentication. Use same settings as my incoming mail server. Alright, okay. Now let's catch up on this tutorial. Where are we? We just did step 10, click more settings. Check the box. We checked the my outgoing server SMTP requires authentication. And select use same settings as my incoming mail server. We did that. There's the same window. Now step 12. Click the advanced tab all the way to the right. Alright. And check the box next to this server requires an encrypted connection, SSL. So let's see. enter 995 in the incoming server box. All right, incoming server, POP3 995. Check. Let's do that. 995. Oops, sorry. 995. Check. This server requires an encrypted connection, SSL. All right, outgoing server, SMTP 587. And one last step. Select TLS from the drop-down menu next to use the following type of encrypted connection. Use the following type of encrypted connection, TLS. There we go. And click OK. And we're going to test the account settings. Test. Completed. Congratulations. All tests completed successfully. Click close to continue. All right, next. All right, now we're going to send and receive, even though I don't have any more emails. There we go. There's our test message. This is an email sent automatically by Microsoft Office Outlook while testing the settings from your account. We got it. If you have any more questions, feel free to email me at webmaster@energyet.com. And if you need, actually, I will send this to everyone, this link, in case they need to follow the written out tutorial on how to connect to Outlook 2007, which, by the way, you could always search here for POP Outlook 2003, but it is almost verbatim. Nothing too different, but I'll click on it anyway for you. Just that the windows look a little differently, but almost everything is the same. But all right, hope you understood this video tutorial, and of course, again, email me, and hope that everyone's accounts are working fine. Thank you.